In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar link on your Chevy Cruze. It's located behind your front wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our hubcap and lug nuts. If you use your gun for the hubcap, just be careful. Remove your hubcap. Now we're going to remove our lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to take off this nut. This may turn, and if that happens, you're going to use a 9mm socket on the end with a ratchet, and that'll stabilize that while you take the nut off. But we're going to try it without. Looks like it's spinning. Remove your nut. Now for the bottom one, I usually keep this in here just to keep it stable, but you can take it out if you want. I really can't get my gun in here to loosen the nut, so I'm going to use the same setup I did up top. To keep that stud still, I'm going to use my ratchet wrench to loosen up the nut. Take it off the rest of the way. Remove your sway bar link. Let's put our sway bar link in. Start with the bottom one. Now we're going to tighten up the nut. I'm holding the other end with my 9mm. Snug it up and then we'll torque it. We're going to torque this to 48 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, just do your best. Now we're going to put our link back in. Get your nut started. Once you get that snugged up, we're going to torque it to 48 foot-pounds. Install your wheel. Start your lug nuts by hand. We're going to tighten these in a crisscross manner. Starting with the one on the bottom, we're going to walk the wheel up. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 100 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star-like manner. And now we're going to put our hubcap on. Line your hubcap up with your valve stem and your lug nuts, like this. And then you can put these on by hand or use your gun. If you use your gun, be very careful you don't over-tighten.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.